and today we are doing the Random Mystery Squishy Challenge. It's basically where I put my hand in this box, there's a bowl of squishies, and I try to feel it, and I have 3 guesses, and I'm going to do it with 5 different squishies. Let's jump right into it.
So this one is my favorite. It is a goldfish. And there was lots of squishies. There's a turtle that's green, a purple kitty. There's also a unicorn that's yellow. And, yep, if you can see all of them, you know what it is. So,
which one's your favorite? Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Green turtle.
Yes! Good!
Yes!
Good job!
Okay. Next one.
I wonder if he's gonna get it right.
This one. I think this is a blue hippo thing.
No! And there is not a hippo in there. It's a polar bear.
And I think is the purple sheep.
No. One more guess.
I mean, is it the purple penguin?
Yes!
Yes, that's what I meant to say. Not the purple sheep. Okay. Now the next one. Is this the red laying down cat?
No.
Is this?
I wonder who.
Is this the long blue thing?
No.
Is this the other laying down cat?
No.
What is it?
It's the fox. Now I have to make a loser line right here.
Okay. Next one. I'll pick this one.
Okay.
This
You
one.
got 2 more to go.
Is this a? This is hard. Is this a turtle again?
No. There is only one turtle.
Is this this one's really hard.
Yeah, it
Is this one a seal?
No. One more try.
Is it a red laying down fox?
No.
Oh yeah,
We already got the
puppy.
We already got the laying down fox.
Oh yeah, I meant to say that. Cat. Okay, last one. I'm gonna pick this one. Is
Okay.
it the sheep?
Yep.
The white sheep? Oh, it's the pink sheep.
Well,
This technical.
When you said sheep, it still counts.
Thanks for watching. Bye.